Alright everyone, let's start by heating a pan on medium heat. Add a little oil, not too much, just enough to coat the pan. Now add our garlic and ginger. Listen to that sizzle. That's where the flavor starts building. Next we toss in our carrots and cabbage. Stir fry for about 3 minutes so they stay slightly crunchy. Now in go the noodles and soy sauce. Give everything a good toss so the sauce coats every strand. Look at that beautiful glossy noodles, colorful vegetables, and a delicious garlic aroma. That's two full work lunches ready to go. Leftover rice works perfectly for fried rice. Add veg to the pan and stir fry for 2 minutes. Now add rice and soy sauce and toss everything together. Finish with sesame seeds for that nutty flavor. Colorful fried rice perfect for lunch boxes. Cabbage is one of the cheapest vegetables and perfect for stir fry. Slice it thin and cook quickly over high heat. Add garlic and soy sauce for flavor. Light, crunchy stir fry with lots of flavor. Today we're making a sweet chili noodle stir fry that tastes just like takeaway. Cook the vegetables quickly, then toss in the noodles and sweet chili sauce. Sticky glossy noodles packed with vegetables. Fresh ginger gives this dish a beautiful aroma. Cook the carrots until slightly soft but still vibrant. Add soy sauce and serve over rice. Bright orange carrot stir fry with fragrant ginger sauce. Here are cost-effective, easy, and work-friendly lunch ideas you can prepare in advance. So for more work lunch ideas, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!